Hello guys, if you wish to learn this move, which it's called a halo, it's a basic variant contact move and it's a staff move. So if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Please enjoy the tutorial after my intro. Right, so guys, I'm going to be using my fire staff in this. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to grab this off center. So if you're with your left hand, your right hand, you're going to be grabbing it towards the end of the right side. If you're left-handed, you're going to be grabbing it towards the left side, okay? First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this up in a straight manner and put this on your spine like so. So you put in the center of this on your spine. So in slow-mo, that's going to look like that. We're going to push this over in this direction, but we're going to move our body into this side here. So I'm turning my feet from facing that way to this way. At the same time as I'm pushing this over, that is going to cause it to finish the roll over, okay? So all in one motion and in slow-mo. So I hope this helps you out, guys. Yeah, let's say Corona's rabid. It's everywhere. So I'm hoping to at least supply you with maybe 3 or 4 tutorials a week, just to keep your tickers going. Yeah. So I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you soon, guys. Pow!